Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I am Dylan.
And I'm Vinny.
And if you have been targeted by these crappy, just personal finance scams on YouTube that are just unrelenting and touting these insane returns, right? Almost always day trading. And you're always seeing people like, well, I have a course. I have a course, then it's going to be $100 a month. You're going to be a millionaire. This is my biggest pet peeve. This is for you. I fucking hate those guys.
Two Super Guys Trade Stocks.
Boom. You know who this douche is?
Right. No, but there's 18 monitors, so I immediately know that this guy knows what he's talking about.
Yeah. Now, I don't want to directly call, I will directly call out him because the FTC sued him, and I'll get into that. Yeah. I don't want to call out, there's so many of these guys. It's disrespectful. It's taking advantage of people's money. It's so messed up. I'm sure that you've probably seen videos like this.
You want to start day trading, but the problem is you have no idea where to even start.
This is
you
30
see
seconds.
All these people making $500 a day, $1,000 a day, even $10,000 a day just by day trading, but you just can't figure out how they're doing it and what strategy they're using to actually make that much money. Well, that's why in this video, I'm going to be walking you through everything that is going to help you become a successful day trader and start seeing similar results to what you've always dreamed of. Watching this video all the way through has the potential to take you from a complete beginner all the way to genius trader with a foundation for success. Treat trading like a business.
All right. So if you watch that video all the way through, you can become a profitable day trader. Okay? How long do you think that video was? Take a guess.
3.5 minutes now, like 10.
10? It was 8 minutes. At no point, I know, 8 minutes and you're a profitable day trader. You know, some with a 99% fail rate.
Well, I mean, you know, I think it as a YouTuber, 8 minutes, that's when you get 2 ad breaks, therefore you get more ad revenue. Of course, that's what he did. He targeted exactly 8 minutes.
Also, didn't mention anything about day trading, right? He went into how you have to practice and how you have to have your product and how you have to try really hard. I just saved you 8 minutes. That's essentially what he says. Okay. And also, of course, he plugged his course at the end, right? You can do all this, but you're definitely going to need a course.
Was there a private jet, hot women, or like fast cars in the video at any point in time?
In the very beginning.
That's how you know they're legit.
It was in the very beginning. She was showing that.
Yeah. That's
fantastic.
Yeah.
So full disclosure, I do day trade. I do not put it on this channel because I'm not profitable and I'm not a scam artist, right? I'm going to say one thing real quick. If anyone's interested in day trading, so you're like, well, I need to sign up for a course. Any profitable day trader who is truly profitable and making money is not selling a course because that takes, one, a lot of work to do. Okay. 2, you're making money every day from day trading. All of this information is free on YouTube, right? Like I took a couple cheap, really cheap ones like 2 years ago, and it was clearly scams. I did like one for like $30. I'm like, I'm out. This is a hilarious joke. It's literally, you do not need to make a course if you're successful. The people who are making a course are not successful and are trying to find another avenue of revenue. So I don't want to call out anyone directly other than this guy. This guy's a douche. This guy sucks. But there are so many courses online. Don't waste your money. It's all free on YouTube. This is warrior trading. All right? Hefty change there.
Yeah, I mean, what the hell? You got to really be delivering a lot of value for something like that. That's not just like, oh, yeah, go learn some generic information that's kind of available for free everywhere else, but I'm going to put together in a nicer format. That's like real money. I need secret sauce for that kind of money.
Yeah. Imagine if you were making $1,000 a day trading. And just imagine that you were, okay? If you truly were and you weren't charging a course, you could put a full YouTube video of everything you do. That video would have millions upon millions of views. You'd make more from that video than you would courses, right? Because you're actually making money. You can prove it. Also, these guys never show their account. That's a problem. They never. I'm going to show it again. almost never show their account, right? Or they'll only show trades where they made a bunch of money and then like get rid of all the other ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like if I only talk about how I shorted Nicholas successfully and I don't talk about Fubo or PayPal, right? Oh, I'm a genius now. Here's the FTC. Okay, so they took this guy. Federal Trade Commission is cracking down on the Warrior Trading Day investment scheme for making misleading and unrealistic claims of big investment gains to consumers. Okay, basically, they use those claims to convince people to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars for a trading system that ultimately failed to pay off for most customers. They are required to pay $3 million to refund consumers and will be prohibited from making baseless claims about the potential for consumers to earn money using their trading strategies. I initially went to his page, which, by the way, our YouTube recommendations can be rough because I was clicking on all these to see them. Sorry. Vinny.
Great, yeah.
Yeah. They scrubbed their thumbnails. There's little warning signs in every thumbnail. So I remember back in the day, this guy used to be real rough. But the problem is they're paying $3 million. Okay. They're going to continue to crack down, but this company made tens of millions of dollars selling this program online. So a $3 million fine doesn't mean crap.
Oh, this is like when Google gets fined like 50 million by like the European oversight government. It's like, yeah, it's a speeding ticket for them.
It doesn't matter. Big Pharma does this all the time.
$3 million is probably less than your tax, federal income tax that year. It's insane.
It's ridiculous, and that's why this behavior is rewarded, right? Because the fine is nowhere near what you get to charge. So who cares? This is another one. I don't want to show this guy's name, so I took it out. But look at these three circles. So ChatGPT trading strategy turns 100 into 13,000, 19,000 profit, and then zero risk for trading view. By the way, zero risk trading. It's pretty huge.
There is no risk. Yeah,
it's
none at all. These are monopoly money.
Yeah, it's wild. Do you know what these videos? So as you can see, I watched that one. That's the thing on our YouTube. Mm-hmm. Do you know what the strategy is?
Buy right before it goes up and then sell right before it goes down?
No. So what you do is you take a stock that has already had its entire day worth of trading. You then put that into, like a trading view, whatever you're looking at. And then you could use a bunch of indicators to see what you could have done to make a bunch of money on a day that's already happened. It's really, really cool. It's called backtesting. And you can backtest strategies. You can do that to see if it works. But the problem is, in all these videos, they choose completely different indicators and completely different things to make sure that day you would have made this much money. Now, if you apply it to any other day, well, it doesn't matter. You're gonna lose everything, right? Because you already know the answers. You're not using the same indicators per video. They choose different ones each time.
Yeah. And how do I backtest the Powerball? Just asking for a friend.
Oh yeah, it's the answer's 4. Pick 4.
Yeah.
Just all 4s.
Right. Yeah.
Go to your thing real quick.
All right. So, the other interesting thing that a lot of these guys do, and like, I'm not saying this particular one did it, but you always have to worry about whether or not, this publication is listing them as number 1, right? Like, why are they doing that? Were they compensated for this? Do they have to disclose that? I don't know. Good question, though.
Scroll up to the top for me. What's the date of this? That FTC thing, I think, was 2022 April. Oh, cool. So the best day trading courses as of a month ago was Warrior, which has already been seen as a scam. Cool. Sweet.
Yeah, I mean,
stand-up guy.
You got fined $3 million by the FTC. You're probably still the best product available out there because you've learned to be honest because of that fine.
Let's see their pros and cons. Pros. It's free. The intro's free. You got to pay a bunch. It's definitely not free. Access to chat rooms. Does not go into detail about charting, which is the entire thing about day trading, by the way. That's all you do. Cool. That's good.
Yeah. All of these kind of programs run on the same basis where they have these increasing tiers of access and information, and they go up and up in value. There've been some that have been so flagrant as to say, basically, like when you're asking how much is this exclusive pro insider tier, it's like, well, how much can you afford? They literally will take your last dollar to get to that tier that offers you nothing. They just made it up for you to take every dollar you have.
Yeah. I got to be honest. So I've been doing day trading for 2 years. Once again, I'm still not profitable. That's why I refuse to even speak about it or show videos because I'm not a scam artist. There is nothing. I've signed up for like free week chat rooms. You can see there is nothing I have found that is not free somewhere else. Don't do any course. It's useless. It's a waste of time. It's honestly kind of predatory, to be honest. Yeah. Give us a like and subscribe.
Yeah, we're launching our own actual day trading course in the comments below.
Yeah,
actually,
this is a plug. This is a plug for the course.
If Vinny and Dylan launch a course, it's gonna be like how to make peanut butter at home or something ridiculous like that. Okay.
It's gonna be really overpriced too. But I am gonna launch a day trading course out of Hawaii where you make a bunch of money. It's gonna be great.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
All right, guys. Well, let us know about what do you think about these scammy day trading courses down in the comments below.
Jeez.